The guns were killing machines. Old school generals ordered their soldiers to charge, only to have the men mowed down. In virtually every battle of World War I, the machine gun played a decisive role.
It was particularly decisive in the early British offensives. In the Somme, for instance, this is where thousands and thousands of British soldiers were killed daily for 6 months. And they were just charging machine guns and being mowed down because the British generals didn't have a better idea.